Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titingnan natin kung anong energies na parating sa inyo ngayong new moon in Gemini na mangyayari sa June 6, 2024 at 8:37 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. At bago tayo magsimula, it's Gemini season. Happy birthday, happy solar return sa inyo. I wish you all the best in life, happiness, success, and good health. Ayan. So itong new moon ay mangyayari sa inyong first house of yourself, of your own perception, yung physical self rin ninyo, no? Physical body. Maaring kayo ay magkakaroon ng bagong pananaw sa buhay, mental clarity, self-awareness. You will also be focusing on taking care of yourself, especially your mental health, no? Dahil meron tayong very interesting ngayon yung new moon kasi napakaraming planets ngayon sa sign ng Gemini. Okay, so we have Mercury, nandiyan ang Mercury, which is your planetary ruler. Mercury rules your thoughts, your communication. So I think ngayon mas you are having a lot of confidence ngayon to express yourself, to have more ideas, no, new ideas kung paano mo mas mapapaunlad yung sarili mo in all aspects of life because this is in your first house. And also, andito rin si Jupiter. So, Jupiter just recently entered the sign of Gemini. Jupiter is the planet of expansion, good luck, optimism, enthusiasm. So, I think marami ka ngayong mga ideas, mga naiisip na gusto mong gawin, baguhin, subukan sa buhay mo. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring may mga interest kayo ngayon na makapag-travel or tumira sa ibang lugar, mag-explore, no? You are more on exploration. Kaya yung iba sa inyo, no, kung makakaramdam kayo na parang nababagot na kayo, parang ang boring na ng buhay, subukan yung lumabas, no? Subukan yung mag-explore. Hindi naman kailangang sobrang gagastos, no? Yung pwede maglakad-lakad ka sa park, sumama ka sa kaibigan mo na pupunta sa ibang probinsya, yung mga ganon. So try to go out and communicate with others, connect with others dahil maaring may mag-open na bagong opportunities para sa iyo diyan. So itong new moon in Gemini, meron din siyang Cazimi sa Venus. So ibig sabihin niyan pare-pareho sila ng degree. 16 degrees yan sila pareho, yung moon, yung sun, tsaka Venus. So, pwedeng mixed emotions, mixed energies, but I feel like mas lalo nitong nabuboost ang iyong confidence, yung pag-aalaga mo rin sa sarili mo, maaring ngayon mas may isip mo na, teka, kailangan mag-focus ako sa aking sarili, sa aking ikauunlad, ganon. Because Venus is the planet of beauty. This is romance, harmony. So, maaring magiging attractive rin kayo during this time. Lalo na sa mga taong makikilala nyo, mga bagong connections, bagong friendships. Maaring meron kang ma-attract dahil sa iyong style, no? Sa pananamit mo or mismo sa iyong pananalita, no? The way you express yourself, you express your thoughts. So, some of you are also going to focus on your finances na mag-iisip ka ng mga bagong ideas kung paano kumita ng pera, mas mapaunlad yung iyong kabuhayan. Ayan. So, yung iba naman, this is taking care of yourself, practicing self-love, self-care. Siguro meron kang mga gagawin rin ng mga enhancement sa iyong physical self, sa physical body mo. Maaring may isip mo na mag-skincare, ayusin yung hair mo, magpagupit, magpa-style, mag-iba ng pananamit, no? Yung iba naman pwedeng magkakaroon ulit kayo ng interest sa gym. You want to work out, you want to be healthier, stronger. Okay? So let's see energies naman ng tarot. What's coming to Gemini ngayong new moon in Gemini? O, diba? Speaking of practicing self-love, self-care, andito yung Venus energy, the Empress. You will definitely take care of yourself. You will also focus on your creative ideas, and this will bring you abundance, no? May kasaganaang hatid yung iyong mga bagong ideas ngayon. And also, hindi lang to ngayong new moon kasi itong si Jupiter, magtatagal yan sa sign ng Gemini for like a year. So, gagawa rin ako ng another video about that to discuss kung ano yung mga good luck na mangyayari sa inyo sa isang buong taon. Okay, let's see what else. Wow, ang ganda naman, Gemini. Oh, you have the Star card. The Star is about your goals, your hopes, your dreams. You are also healing from your past. Grabe, ang ganda. Gemini, kayo na talaga. Okay? So, especially Gemini rising. This is for your family, no? This is fortune after difficulty. Kung nagkaroon ka ng mga challenging situation ng mga nakaraang buwan, nakaraang taon, ito na yung time na masasabi mo sa sarili mo na, teka, kailangan na may magbago sa situation ko. Kailangan ko nang may gawing action. And these actions magbibring to ng kasaganahan sa iyo, happiness, fulfillment. Yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong gustong ma-achieve para sa family ninyo, magsisimula nyo na yung marating, no? Ngayong new moon. Maaring you will be more inspired to be that person na gusto mo talagang maging. You have the Strength card, so this is Leo energy. Very courageous, no? Malakas yung loob na harapin yung mga challenges. Kasi kung willing ka na, mag-explore, to go out of your way to explore your opportunities, kahit may challenges na dumating, mahanap yung opportunities na yan kasi kaya mong i-handle, ma-overcome yung mga challenges. Okay? So, meron ditong mga energies ng Gemini, Libra, and then you have Taurus and Libra, tapos Aquarius, and then Leo. Of course, Gemini. Kasi this is your reading. So, let's see ano pa for you. Gemini, ngayong new moon in Gemini. Knight of Pentacles, you are really focused on saving money. Gusto mo ngayon na magkaroon ng financial stability. I feel like you are so inspired right now na willing ka na magsakripisyo, willing ka na gawin yung lahat ng makakaya mo, ilabas yung buong energy mo para ma-achieve mo yung goals mo. See? You are also mastering your craft, learning a new skill that will improve your finances. So, kumbaga itong skills na mapag-aaralan mo ay magdadagdag ng bagong kita sa'yo, no? Bagong income, bagong source of income. I think you are improving yourself, definitely, Gemini. Marami kang mga actions na ginagawa ngayon to improve yourself, your finances, your career, because this is about yourself, okay? A win-win outcome is forecast. Wow. So, ano't ano man ang mangyari, ang ending panalo ka pa rin. Win-win outcome. Talk less, feel more. I think ngayon mas magiging connected ka sa higher self mo. So, yung connection mo sa ibang tao is about listening to them. Hindi lang ikaw yung magsasalita na magsasalita. You are also open to listening to others. Kasi that way, no, makaka-connect sila sa'yo and you'll be able to connect with them in authentic ways. New Moon in Scorpio, go deeper. Yes. So, for you, yung mga connections mo, meron kang malalim na connection sa kanila. If nararamdaman mo na hindi kayo ganun ka-connected, I think you will not waste your time sa mga ganong situation or tao. For you, you want genuine connections. And I think yan yung may experience mo ngayong new moon in Gemini. So it's like a brand new you. Kasi ang new moon is about new beginnings, new experiences. And now you are willing to explore that. Kasi meron kang, nakadevelop ka na ng confidence sa sarili mo. Especially that Jupiter enters your first house. Kumbaga, you feel like parang you're on top of the world, ganon. You have a lot of potentials na gusto mo pang i-explore moving forward. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye.